think I can't hear you every day, filling his head with black magic, talking about visions and three-eyed ravens and working. Did he speak for himself?
I don't fill his head with anything.
So what do you talk about?
What's happening to him? What that means?
Go on then.
It's not like that. I wish I could tell him who we are. Much easier.
I don't want you talking to me. Tell me it's your brother at Castle Black.
I'm not trying to come.
What did you say?
I told you already. Jon Snow isn't there. Bran is the final raven.
No, I'm not going back there. Your brother is at Castle Black. That's where I go. Ever since I fell from that tower, God has been to find me. I don't have my legs anymore. This is what I only know. You need to go back to Castle Black so you can get back to where you belong. What if I fell from that? Is that what he's telling you? That it's all for a reason? All these bad things happen because the gods got big plans for you. I wish it were true, little Lord, because the gods wouldn't spare Raven's cause for you or me. You don't understand. You don't know. You don't. None of you know. None of you've been up there. I had a man once. Good man.